Welcome to SAP ABAP training program. Here our objective is to understand the meaning of package in SAP. As we have discussed, a repository can have many number of application 1, 2, 3 and many other. Inside one application there can be many packages. These packages contains developed object. They are nothing but programs and tables. Now the packages can be a transportable package. Packages, transport attribute are defined here. Object inside the transport package can be transported to target systems. Regarding this, we will have in next slide. And there is a non-transportable package which are also called local objects. Here we are doing the tester program. तो पैकेज का मतलब हुआ एक है ट्रांसपोर्टेबल, दूसरा है नॉन ट्रांसपोर्टेबल. द ट्रांसपोर्टेबल पैकेज कैन बी ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम डेवलपमेंट टू द टेस्टिंग एंड प्रोडक्शन. So let us see a standard package. SAP standard package, one example is VF, where from using the SC80 or SC93 we can see the VF package and its different folders. Particular folder having its type, you can have different object inside that folder. Let us see this example. Here package is VF, where the tools that we are using like dictionary, class library, program, transactions, all these are object in a package. These are the things object inside the package we can keep, and these are the transport layer and software components. Now transport organizer, the objects are transferred between client using CTS, change and transport system. इसका मतलब है कि जो भी हम पैकेज डेवलप करते हैं, जो भी हम ऑब्जेक्ट डेवलप करते हैं वो पैकेज में रहता है. वो पैकेज is working, we are doing that, creating that package in customizing and development client, that is CUST. Entire thing, the package is transferred from development client to the quality assurance client, and after that it is transferred from quality assurance client to the production client. Quality assurance client is QTST and production client is PROD. How does it work? So अगर कोई भी एप्लीकेशन होता है, उस एप्लीकेशन के लिए there are n number of tasks are there. Task 1, task 2 up to task n. Every task consists of many different objects are developed for a particular task. So there can be this task and its respective objects. So all these things are placed in a one request. So request work like an envelope. It takes the letter and give it to the another client. After that the request is thrown out. Now a package is created by a name. If a customer object is there, like if we are creating a package, it must start with Y or Z. And the package that is done by the SAP, standard SAP objects reserved, they are A to S and U to X. T is for private test package, it doesn't belong to transport layer, right? And assigned to software component local. Suppose your customer, you are developing a package but you have not created a package tree or anything, so it will be stored in a by default package called a local package, starting with named as $TMP. This is a one tree structure where the different requests are created. Inside the request there are tasks are created. So the inside one request you can see the two tasks are being created. So we will be seeing that how to create a new package. Before that we will see that how does our package hierarchy look like if we develop a package hierarchy. So by clicking a term SC transaction SC01, we will get how the packages are there for the user TT ABAP 08. By clicking display over here, we can see that how the requests are being generated. The latest request, that is the last request that is generated, is on the top. The first request that is being created is at the bottom. Now these requesters, inside a request you can develop the task, and these requesters are in the order of latest on the top and the first one is at the bottom. This is what you can see. Inside the request you can see the tasks are there. Now how to create a new package? Click SC or write a transaction code SC21. So when I click the SE21, I have an option of package builder initial screen. Inside it, when I write JBK08, since I have created already lot of packages, so it is asking me either do I want open to anyone and display, or I want to create a new one. What I did, JBK08 IGIT, so I just add a new one underscore SAP, just a new name, and then click create. After I create there is a short description is there. Inside the short description, you need to write who has created or what is the purpose of this package. Then there is an application component. When you click the help box over here, the application component will tell these are the different application component. Since I am a customer, I can go from different application to application. So cross application component will be clicked. So here we will have CA. After you get the CA, then what is the software component? So there are different options of the software component. Since it is developed by the customer, so home is used. So HOME over it here. Now transport layer also, we can have transport layer like SAP or JEC3. If you do not give any transport layer also, it will work. I have just chosen JEC3. Then super packages, we can develop a packages and inside it super package, then main package and development package. So super package name can be given. So I've just shown it here, but if you will not give also, it will run. Package type, after that the package type are there, where is the development package, main package and structure package are there. So development package is what you are going to develop. So if you have like main package, you can assign the main package inside the developed package to main package and main package to structure package. Structure package will be at the top, then main package, then development package. Now if I click this right button, so I am getting a package, see that number 28. Now if I am interested to go for 28, it's fine. But if I am not interested, I can go for a different, see that workbench, which package I am interested for. So when I click the workbench over here, so I'm getting these options. So 28, what you can see here is 28 here. And that is why he is written for Brijesh, is mentioned over here for Brijesh. So now I'm not interested for 28, rather I'm interested for 24. Here package 1 for Brijesh. So I just click here, double click here. So I will get here 24 over here. 24 is reflected over here. Then you can click right button. Now, I am not interested for 24 suppose. I want to go for a new one. So I can click a new one here. If I click a new one, it will another window will open. In this window, I have to read to write what is a short description. Let us say for IGIT SAP demo. Purposefully, it was before that it is TT ABAP 08. I added a new one, that is TT ABAP 09 and TT ABAP 07. These are the two colleagues. They are taking the classes with me. So I just added their ABAP user ID. So what is the reflection is, you can, if they will open in their user ID, they can see the package that is developed under me. So after I click the save button here, then a new package is developed, that is 58. Then click the right mark. What we will get, we are going to get a new package is being developed with the new package number and by Brijesh demo IGIT SAP students. Now you can see that the latest one is 58, that is being reflected in this picture. Earlier it was till 31, now 058 is being developed. Now I split the 058, this request, I find that there are 3 tasks is been assigned. One task is for TT ABAP 08, this where this package is developed. Another task is for TT ABAP 09 and the task is for TT ABAP 07. So this was the previous slide that I use for here for comparison. It is there for TT ABAP up to package 31. Now in this, after adding the new one, it is now 058 is reflected here. So this is how we come to know that how this packages hierarchy is being maintained. To understand the package and request and task, we can develop the object and we can assign the object to the respective package, and then we can do multitasking and combine the entire work to develop an application. And after the application is developed, with the help of this package, we can transfer this from one client to another client, or from the development place to the testing, and from the testing to production. This is all. Thank you very much.